Is Joplin open source? Have you ever wondered if Joplin is an open source application? Let's break it down and find out what that means for you as a student or a note-taker. Joplin is indeed an open source note-taking application. This means that anyone can access its source code, allowing users to inspect, modify, and even contribute to the software. So, why is this important? Being open source means that Joplin is not locked into a proprietary system. You can trust that your notes and data are yours to keep, and you are not tied to a specific company or service. This flexibility is especially beneficial for students who want to customize their study tools to fit their needs. Joplin offers a variety of features that make it an excellent choice for effective study. You can create and organize notes in notebooks, and it supports multimedia content. This means you can add images, videos, PDFs, and audio files to your notes, making your study materials richer and more engaging. Another great aspect is that Joplin saves notes in Markdown format. Markdown is a simple text formatting syntax that is easy to read and write. This is perfect for students and researchers who want clean and portable notes. You can also sync your notes across multiple devices using cloud services like Joplin Cloud, Dropbox, OneDrive, and Nextcloud. This ensures that your notes are accessible wherever you go. Security is a top priority with Joplin. It offers end-to-end encryption to protect your data. This means that only you can access your notes, providing peace of mind when storing sensitive information. Joplin is available on various platforms, including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. There is even a terminal app for those who prefer command-line interfaces. Customization is another strong point. You can enhance your note-taking experience with plugins, custom themes, and different text editors. This allows you to tailor Joplin to your unique study style. The project is licensed under the Affero General Public License, which ensures that Joplin and its derivatives remain free and open for everyone. From a study hacks perspective, Joplin's open source nature means you can trust that your data is not locked away. You can also extend the app's functionality to suit your study needs. Its offline-first design ensures that your notes are always available, even without an internet connection. This is essential for uninterrupted study sessions. Additionally, Joplin allows you to import notes from Evernote, making it easy to transition to this platform. It also offers a web clipper for saving web pages and screenshots, making it a versatile tool for gathering research materials. In summary, Joplin's open source status, combined with its robust features, makes it an excellent digital note-taking tool for effective study and knowledge management.